Okay guys, this is another timing installation, and this particular Aveo is a bone gasket. It creates a lot of overheating, so we are going to replace the head gasket and reset the timing for you to know the procedure and how you can go about it. But quickly, let me tell this: if your warning light of Aveo comes on, or you see that there is a steam coming out of the car hood bonnet, you should follow these precautions for both safety and your car can save. So this is a broken gasket. If the temperature is high but there is no steam coming out of the hood, stop your car in a safe place and working. When your engine idle speed on, then you can able to proceed and put in water. So the causes of this is crucial, and this is how it is. Look at the update. Look at the outcome. This is serious overheating and it has affected the head gasket. So the head gasket is bone and we are going to replace it. So after that, the timing belt replacement. If you are watching this video, don't hesitate to take your time and watch it than to skip it and take my number and call me online. That one is not acceptable again. So be careful to watch the video, every single procedure, and how to align the timing belt, because this timing belt, to align it to get the correct start is very complicated. So you have to follow the steps from start to finish. Don't skip any video, don't skip any part of the video, and I'll urge you to subscribe if you haven't done so. Hit the subscribe button. So we are just want to clean the cylinder engine block. Make sure you clean the engine block carefully. Every carbon is clean before you replace or put in the new head gasket. It's more important. If you didn't able to do so, you may fix it and also have some serious problem. So the type of coolant you use, overheating, what exactly caused this car to get overheating? We diagnose it. So this is the crankshaft mark. So below you can see the deep mark there, and you can see a sharp arrow like a triangle below there. So if you see this and it match like that, that means TDC is on point, cylinder number 1 is on point. If you are not sure about it and you didn't work on the cylinder head, then try to remove the number 1 spark plug and make sure it's on top, and check it to align with the mark below. So this is the camshaft loose. It is very simple but more complicated. This is the exhaust camshaft loop and then the inlet camshaft loop. So it is more important to watch it, and as you can see, the timing marks, the sharp arrow on the cover, you can see there's a white marks from the manufacturer. That marks indicate the top one. So it is very simple, strip by strip. And let me also show you the inside mark, which is aligned with both exhaust pocket and inlet pocket. These deep marks face together, and that is what you see inside there. Okay, so it is straight top to top, and you can see the arrows there, the marks there. That's the point. It is very simple. There's no need for me to settle it or show an arrow. You can see this clear and you're able to do it. That's why I also show you the timing loops. Come, as you see, this one too is there. So after that, make sure you check both inside exhaust and inlet camshaft. There is a deep marks which they may require to make together, and that deep marks, you can see that deep marks align together and they meet together. Make sure Once you reset the top one, those pointed marks on the sprocket are all equally met. That means your timing is good and you are going to get a correct start. It is very simple but very compressed to set this timing again, and this timing is the same as Aveo Cruise and Astra Bees. All these timings are the same. Even GM is also the same. So if we are working on those cars, all these timings are, I think, one in all, and the procedure is also the same. So you may put your comment section if this video is very helpful. See you next time. This is what we do. This is the updates. This is the Crankshaft. That's why I take my time to show you everything. Make sure you comment, you like this video, you share. The timing loops are there. I didn't hide anything, so take time carefully and watch it, and don't make an attempt to call me, ask questions, and later you don't recognize it. See you again.